What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan Best Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, today's video is all about the 105. I'm just going to do a little preview, not preview, but review. Maybe a preview. I don't even know right now. I'm just thinking in my head. But I'm gonna do a little review to show you why I think it is called the Beast. I nicknamed it the Beast. I absolutely love that lens. And of course, I have back Simone. You've seen her in a couple videos back. She is now back to help us out with this video. And she's gonna come back here and kill it in a nice dress. We're still in Louisville, Kentucky up here because that's where she resides at. And like I said, we're just gonna use the 105 to show you what I can just kind of do with it and show you why it's my favorite lens, one of my favorites. So Simone, you have anything you wanna say with the Beast?
No, I think I'm ready. I'm mentally ready.
She's been ready. Of course, if you want to work with all the stuff, it's going to be in the description below. Would have popped on the screen by now. And Gene, let's get into this. Let's go. Cool. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, turn to the side for me just a tad bit. Yep. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep, love it. 1, 2, 3. I like that. Yeah, right.
This one's probably my favorite.
All right, yeah, like that. Do that pose right there, bam. Yep. Hold that leg just like that. Yep.
Hand on hip or no hand on hip?
Hand kind of on hip. Yeah, kind of. No, off the hip. Yeah. Kind of play with your hair. Yeah, there we go. Look at me.
I feel like I'm not awkward or what?
Are you awkward with it?
I think so.
Like it, love it, snappiness. There you go. She's live in it, guys. She's in the zone. Hey, that model's coming out of it, guys. Quit it out.
It's a minute. And it's hot.
It's hot as hell out here.
I can put a little weight on it. I'm like,
yeah, you can put a little weight on it. Like you really thinking about these things gonna fall.
I know I don't want to fall.
1, 2, 3. One, yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. What I do out here?
I get these pictures.
You know how. Hey, she asked him how. Hey, talk like she's asking me how she get these pictures. I'm gonna be like you, said she don't get any pictures. I'm gonna be you today. She don't get no pictures from me.
This is my first photo.
Yeah. Yep. Love it. Coming in. Beautiful. All right. Cause the sun come back out again.
I know. You can't win.
Yeah, I can't win around here. All right, those came out a little better. I just wanted to redo those guys just simply because the sun kind of went in the clouds a little bit and we didn't get a lot of highlights, so I just want to kind of redo. One, 2, 3. Get a little closer. Yeah, about right there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did she just really do the neck roll thing? Oh, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Hand thing.
No, do my hand thing. No, I don't do my hand thing. Yeah, don't do my hand thing. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Can you actually lean your head on the? Yeah, if you can. You might have dropped that shoulder back. Turn that shoulder. Yeah, there you go. And then kind of lean. There you go. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that Simone and I just put in for you. Now, Simone, how did you enjoy that little light work?
It was great. It wasn't light work because it was hot. I did break a sweat. So not light work, but it was worth it.
How did you enjoy just coming back out here again for a second time?
Like I said, it was definitely worth it, and I enjoyed it just like last time.
You hear it, guys. But she still ain't very good on social media, guys, so don't even worry about that.
Yeah,
don't
there's
trip.
no update on that.
If y'all been hitting her up in the DMs, just take it as she's just really bad on social media, guys. So anyway, like I said, this is showing me how I work with the 105. It is the beast of a lens. I've called the beast. Of course, it is called the Bokeh Master for a reason. And you see them in those photos so far. It's one of my favorite lenses that I shoot with. Actually, it's this 45 is my absolutely favorite lens, but the second one is definitely the 105. I absolutely enjoyed that lens. So until next time.
Until next time.
Until the next time, guys. Peace.
Bye. I'm like, I'm waiting on you.